Alright, welcome to another video of Jeep Monkey. This is JW. And it's going to be another quick one. And I'm cleaning it up with a pneumatic. I don't even know what it's called, honestly. But I think I've showed it before where I put that sanding disc on it. And it cleans up the block really well without damaging the block. So, in fact, I use this little scraper, and that has more of a chance of causing damage to the block than this little disc. So probably the second greatest pneumatic tool that I have, the scaler being number one. But I don't know, I've got a lull in here. I could have edited this out, but it's okay. There we go. See, there's the scraper I was talking about. I just used a regular thin scraper, and then I'll scrape the front and clean up where the water pump goes as well. So you want a nice, good, shiny surface if you can, so that way the mating surfaces between the two of them can be perfect. So don't want any anomalies getting in the way of that. And now here I'm doing more of where the water pump is. Trying to get every little bit, because I like to put ultra black on that front. I think I just retrofitted the new water pump on there, so and then you want to clean up that surface right there really good as well. Problem with doing it like this is it's easy to get dust and stuff inside the engine, and I hate doing it that way, but I tend to just change the oil almost right away when I do it. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. this another short video, and I'll talk to you guys later.